climbed over your fence, had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders and closed off. That's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life, not living in the past.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. My bedroom is a complete disaster, so in today's video, I'm going to be cleaning my bedroom and the master bathroom. My brother was in town yesterday and the day before, so we took those 2 days to just spend time with them. We went to the beach and just hung out and then came back and cooked out. So my laundry has been piled up. I haven't even made my bed in like 2 days, so I need to really get in here and deep clean the bathroom and my bedroom. So I hope that you stick around and clean along with me. And if your room looks like mine, don't worry, you are not alone. We all get those messes from time to time. So I'm gonna get started, and before we do, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button and join our growing YouTube family. And don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up if you do enjoy today's video. And let's jump right into this huge disaster. I told you I was not kidding. It's a mess. I need to take down Christmas stuff. I need throw all of this stuff in the laundry room, get some laundry started. I need to vacuum. You can see chunks of dog hair, beach towel under the bed, literally just clothes everywhere. And then these are like my pillows. There's a Christmas pillow under there, so that's gonna go. That's gonna get put up. And then like a suitcase, blankets. I just need to fold all of that. Yeah, I moved my nightstand this morning and I found all of that dog hair under there, so yeah, that's pretty disgusting. So I'm gonna get started on cleaning all of this, and then I will move on to putting all of those clothes away and just getting the master bath cleaned. I'm gonna start by making the bed and then getting all of the Christmas decor down. If you need laundry folding motivation, this is the video for you. I have so much laundry to fold. You will see that here in a bit, but I'm gonna get all of the Christmas decor down first. And now my room looks completely bare because I don't have any other decor up yet. So I need to go find some cute decorations for my room. I might go to Home Goods or something later on this week. I want to stick to like a minimalist look in here though, so I'm not going to do too much, but I at least want something on these walls.
We're over that, I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I floated on air in my mind. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life, not living in the past. That I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. I'm standing on the dizzying heights.
Now it's time to get all of this laundry folded and put away. I have a ton. I have this entire pile, and then I have 2 more baskets. Our washer was down for a little bit. It had a clog in the drain, so I wasn't able to do laundry for a few days, and it just kept piling up and piling up. So now I am finally getting caught up on it. So I'm gonna fold all of this. It takes forever. I wish I got it all folded as quick as it shows in this video, but I'm gonna get all of this folded and put away, and then I will start cleaning the master bedroom.
Everything's so much better, riding high on your river. You and I, we're climbing way up together, standing on dizzy going back, there's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. I'm standing on the dizzying heights. I'm standing on the dizzying heights.
I hope that you guys had a wonderful holiday and a very fun New Year's. We went to our friend's house. They had a Day of the Dead theme party, so we went over there and hung out for a bit, and it was so fun. They had the best food. It was Mexican theme, obviously Day of the Dead, so we had tacos and lots of chips and dips. It was so good and so much fun, and they even had a bouncy house for the kids, so the kids had a blast. So I'm gonna hang up all of these clothes. Normally I will put stuff away in the drawers and then leave the hang up stuff, but I was like, you know what, I'm getting it all done today. So I'm hanging everything up, I'm putting it all away where it goes. And if you watched one of my previous videos, it was my closet clean out, so that was a huge disaster. My closet was so messy, so I'm glad that it's staying pretty organized. I had to organize my husband's side a little bit because he isn't really the most organized person, so I had to clean his up a bit, but for the most part it's staying pretty clean. So between Christmas and New Year's and just hanging out with friends, my room has just gotten like neglected. So it was so messy. I was kind of just bringing stuff in here and setting it down rather than putting it in its place. So I am going to clean off the dresser. I really need to get it scrubbed off. And then I need to clean up the floor because you can see there is stuff all over the floor as well. So I'm gonna put all of this stuff up, wipe off the dresser.
How did we end up here in the corner, looking like enemies? We used to be the team people talk about, what a chemistry. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe. 'Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over.
I was so bummed to take the Christmas decor out of the bedroom. It was just so cozy in here at night, but it is nice to have it like a fresh start and have it a clean slate in here. Everything is very minimalist. There's barely anything on the walls or anything. Actually, there's nothing on the wall except for a TV. So it's very minimalistic in here right now. So I'm gonna vacuum up the floor. You can see all of the dog hair, well, that I showed you in the beginning. So I needed to get all of that up. And then I'm also, as I'm vacuuming, I'm going around and wiping the baseboards. I'm getting behind the furniture because that really needed to be done. Look at all of that dog hair. So it was so nice to get all of that cleaned up.
But now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here.
I need to pick up some lamps for the nightstands. Well, my nightstand, I ended up taking my husband's out, as you saw. The dresser was over there. But I eventually want to find another nightstand or just get new tables for the sides of the bed. And then also get matching lamps. I'm going more for a modern farmhouse style in my house now. Before I wanted like a boho farmhouse, but that was because I wanted more like beachy stuff, but we live by the beach, so I really want like that cozy farmhouse style, especially after the holidays. my husband and I were talking and we were like, we really want just like a cozy farmhouse style home.
Just get me out of how can you be so calm around me when I act desperately? You used to be the one getting crazy when I'd be hard to reach. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb, well we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No, no. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe. 'Cause when you get
All right, now I'm getting around to folding the other 2 baskets of laundry. They have just been sitting in my bathroom. I was able to get them all washed, but since all of my laundry was backed up, I wanted to get everything washed first, and then I folded it and put it away. So you can see most of this is folded in this basket, so I'm just separating it into piles, and then I will take my kids' clothes to their rooms, and they can put their clothes away, and then I will put mine and my husband's clothes away. So it's so nice to get these baskets out of here because they have just been sitting in here collecting all of the clothes.
get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of here. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe. 'Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and
Being honest here, I do not wash these doors enough. They really need to be washed at least once a week because they get fingerprints and then the dog's noses rub on them. So they get pretty dirty. So I really needed to wipe those down. I didn't have any paper towels, so I was using a microfiber cloth and I don't really think it was working very well. So I'm gonna have to wash them again and I have a little squeegee, so I will use like a paper towel and then a squeegee, and usually they come really clean. So now I'm gonna move on to the shower. I'm gonna spray this down. Well, first I'm gonna empty it out, and then I'm gonna spray it down with my Lysol bathroom cleaner. And then I will like scrub it, but I'm gonna let it sit. So I'm going to spray it, scrub it a little bit, spray it again, let it sit for a bit. That way I don't have to scrub so much. And then I'll let the cleaner sit on it for a bit while I clean off the bathroom sink.
giving up your dreams to your silly demons. We're diamonds in the dust, so why can't you see it? Keep getting under your thick skin, trying on not building a nest in your weaknesses. Swimming around in your bloodstream, can't make it stop. Oh, I just need to tell you that. Oh, don't let them get in your head, So please don't let them get in your head,
I hope that you are getting tons of cleaning motivation from this video because my bedroom and my bathroom were a complete disaster. They were so messy. Honestly, they had just gotten out of control, so it is nice to get these all cleaned up, scrub out the sink, scrub out the shower, and get the sink countertops cleaned off because you can't even barely see the top because there's just stuff everywhere. So I'm gonna get this all cleaned up, and then I will go back to the shower and scrub that down one more time.
in your head.
So for the shower, I like to take the long wand and scrub it out really good. And then I go around with this little brush and get any of the cracks and little spaces that you can't get with the big brush. And then I just rinse it out, and now I'm gonna put everything back in, and that is the end. I hope that you enjoyed it, and please subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.